What motivates me is going outside at night, looking up at the moon and thinking about how humans are going to be walking on the moon once again in the very near future.
It is a big idea, but that's what we do at NASA. I'm focused on taking those big ideas and making them into something that we can actually do and actually do on time.
Want to make sure we have really accurate measurements of Earth so that we can detect changes in climate over time. I'm thankful it's not just me working on this mission because I so value what other folks bring to the table.
By developing this aircraft, we're actually coming up with a lot of the standards that will be used to certify future electric aircraft.
NASA is leading and partnering with industries across the nation and the world, employing thousands and tens of thousands of Americans across the nation. Teamwork is the biggest thing of what has to work to do such a challenging thing as living around the moon. And we're coming together to be able to really take human space exploration to the next step.
We're bringing this American ingenuity, the collective greatness of all of the diverse minds that are in the United States on these grand challenges that we face.
Every day I go to work and I know there is a big purpose. It is high stakes, high pressure, but to be honest, that's what we do. That's what we do best.
I was a summer intern back in 2007. The experience changed my life forever. The people there were so inclusive. And I want to be able to inspire the little kids out there to be like, if he was able to do this, then I can too.
I want the largest number of students to have access. We work with schools and with students so that they see that they don't have to figure this out alone. And it's always fascinating for me when a student literally has the proverbial light bulb go off that this is something they can do.
Orbital dynamics don't slow down during a pandemic. We had to come up with ways to keep going right from the get-go. Because of all the safeguards that NASA and our team put in place, we all felt very safe still being able to develop our flight hardware on center.
I have hope that the current vaccine rollout is going to help us as we continue to vaccinate our entire population. We can come back to work in a way where we can continue to do the job that we have, understanding now that the situation has changed.
I am inspired by my colleagues, by the team members, because of the diligence that people have had in continuing to make this mission move forward.
Just some of the most phenomenal people in the world. And the things that I get to work with are just on the cutting edge.
I will say the possibilities are endless. Working at NASA is something that not even on my wildest dream I thought I was going to end up doing. And now that I'm doing it, it is the right place and the right home for me.
NASA is changing the future of spaceflight with the Artemis program. Generations to come will look back at this moment in history, and I'm just so excited to get to be a part of it.
You want more NASA videos? Then hit subscribe.